I just wanted to show you how I make these quick sardine patties. And I have right here, I was able to find the wild sardines in water. I made the same thing last week, but I got the one in olive oil, but I found the one in just water. So the first thing that I did was I drained the water and just poured the sardines in a bowl, and I'm just using my fork here to break the sardines into smaller pieces. And I have 2 eggs. I'm just gonna lightly beat the eggs with my fork and add it to the sardines. I tried to get the sardines as fine as possible, and then I am just going to season with salt, just a little bit of salt. This didn't have any salt added to it, so just adding some salt and a little bit of pepper. I seem to be able to tolerate pepper, so when I first started carnivore, I tried my best to keep the seasonings as minimal as possible, but I am now trying to incorporate more to see how my system is responding, and pepper seems to be fine. This is what it looks like. And all I'm going to do is just probably make like 4 patties or so on the stove top. I'm going to put some tallow in a hot pan. Just make it like you would pancakes and cook it a few minutes for each side. Like 2 to 3 minutes per side and then flip them. So just a quick tip, I found that like if I just wanted to make one big one to make it more like a sardine pie, obviously that would be a lot more difficult to flip it. So I found that it's just best if I'm in a rush and I don't have time to make the smaller patties, or I just preferred not to, I'll just do the big pie and then cook it for 2 minutes on the stove top, 2 to 3 minutes on the stove top. And to get the top crispy, I just pop it in the oven. Obviously you have to have a pot that can go in the oven, mine can, and I just put it on broil for a few minutes, and that gets the top crispy without having to worry about flipping it. So just a little tip if you didn't want to do the patties. So here is the finished product. And I was able to get 4 of these from 2 cans of sardine and 2 eggs. And if you are doing dairy, you can eat it with a side of sour cream. Or just eat it by itself. It's delicious.